Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Tasia from Linbay Machinery. Today I'm excited to introduce you our two-wave guardrail bending machine. The highway guardrail bending machine, also called the road safety barrier bending machine or guardrail curving machine, is used to make the straight guardrail profile curving so that when the road running around, the guardrail can pull accordingly. As we can see, it's a two-wave guardrail bending machine and it has two parts corresponding to arcs in two different directions. It allows the guardrail to bend inward or outward. And next to this machine, next to the two-wave guardrail bending machine, we can see a three-wave guardrail bending machine. Whether it is a two-wave or three-wave guardrail bending machine, we have extensive experience. The thickness of guardrails typically ranges from 2.5 to 4 millimeters, and the bending speed is around 3 meters per minute. By the way, we also offer guardrail roll forming machine for your production needs. If you are interested in this machine or have any questions, please contact us using the information in the top right corner. See you in the next time. Bye bye.